Arushi, how are you?
Hi, I'm so good. How are you?
Great. Okay, just hanging by a thread, but yeah, going on. Anyway,
Like you feel good, but you don't look great.
I don't look great.
your
No, I
words are
look.
not matching with your expressions.
Do they ever? Do they ever? They don't. But anyway,
Uh,
yeah, it's kind of exhausting these days, but it's fine.
yeah.
It's okay. It's
Yes.
life. It has to go this way. So anyway, we have had a session together ever?
Yes. Yes.
We
We
have.
had one session together, only one session together, but I remember
Oh, we've just
you
had
very well.
one
I
session.
think yes.
Okay.
We just had one session. I think 2 months back. Obviously, you would not remember because
Two
you
months
meet a lot
back.
of people. Yeah, I think 2 months back. Yes.
2 months back. Okay. So, how have you been? How are your sessions going? Everything's okay?
So good. So good. Everything is okay. Everything is fine. Sessions
Yeah.
are going well. I'm learning a lot. And yeah,
Oh,
everything is fine.
wow. Okay. And what number of session is this? How many have you taken till now?
I'm sorry, I didn't check the number, but I think
Okay.
above 50. Yeah, above 50.
50? You've taken 50 sessions and this is just the second one with me. Oh God, this is sad. This
I
is sad.
I think our timings don't match, and I think whenever I
Okay.
book a session with you, you always book your sessions are always booked, and that's why.
I think I got your request a week back, if I'm not
Exactly,
wrong.
that's what I'm saying. I book your session in advance.
Oh
See,
God.
how like you're done. I
No,
don't
no,
know.
it's actually because of the what do we say? The internship thing that has been going on. That's keeping me a little busy. So, my timings have become very limited. That is the
Okay,
problem.
that is the reason.
Yeah,
Yes.
there's no such thing. Very good, very bad. No, no.
Oh,
No
come on.
such.
But still, people want to have a session with you. I read it on YouTube and I watch your videos as well. So yeah.
Okay. Oh wow, that is lovely. Thank you, Arushi. So, what are you doing these days? What's new with you? Because
uh,
like 2 months back, I have to stay updated what's going on with you.
these days, yeah, I'm also like being busy these days, due to
Okay.
like office work and all and so many things. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So there's nothing new. The
Yeah, nothing
same
new,
old,
but
same
the
old.
same. Yeah, work from home and the same thing, same
Okay.
scenario.
All right.
Yeah.
Nobody has asked you to come back to the office?
Uh, so far nobody asked me, but today itself, like we got a message from upper management that offices will probably start from October. But again, they have some criterias like your 2 doses have to be completed of
Mhm.
vaccine,
Okay.
and I have completed my first dose only. So here again, I'm not eligible.
Oh, shh. Oh, that's good then. It's okay. You can keep
No,
on working from home. Oh, you
no,
want to go?
I want to go. I'm fed
Oh,
up with work from home now.
okay. But it's so
Yes.
convenient that you don't really have to go anywhere. You're sitting and just doing everything that you're asked to do. And yeah, life is okay.
Okay. Things which are convenient, we can like for some time only. But after that, I think it feels boring. You cannot eat same food for so many days, right?
What would be different if you're going to the office setup? You're going to do the same thing over there also. So it has to be the same
But
thing.
you get the environment, right? Environment is really very important.
Is your office environment really that good?
I feel so. I think I have gone to office for 15 days only ever since I
Oh,
have joined office, and that's why I feel
okay.
I want more experience,
That
and
is the
that's
reason. You've only had 15 days of fun over there. That's why you feel, oh, it was good. So
no,
maybe
but
I
I
want
think
more.
yeah, but I think like all my colleagues were asking for work from office, and Yeah, I mean, everyone wants change now. That is the, I think, main thing.
Main reason.
Apart overall. Yeah.
That's good. But I got so comfortable sitting at home, taking classes and all, that I was like, oh, please, this should continue forever. I was so good.
Oh,
But the
really?
thing is, I'm such an outgoing person. So a person like me was okay sitting at home and taking the online classes of college and everything from home. So my mom was like, there is something seriously wrong, that she's the person who wants to go outside and now
Ah,
she doesn't. So I was like, maybe everything has become so comfortable that I've lost my aura. It has gone. It is gone. That's when
so
I started to
yeah,
feel.
absolutely. Exactly. So nowadays you don't even feel like going out with your friends, like apart from
I'm
like
going
work and
outside every day. I'm going outside every day. The internship
you're
started
going
in
out.
August, right? So I had to
Okay.
go to the hospital. I had to join in. So my internship started in August. So it is going to be like 2 months complete that I'm going to the hospital. So that is the thing. Yes.
Okay, okay. So see,
Yeah. I'm not having any work from home. No, it has to be like physically going there, treating patients. So yes.
that's so good. I mean, that's so good. I feel
So
like
good.
that's good because you guys don't have work from home opportunity.
Nope,
Like you have
not
to
at all.
treat. Yes, but
Have
that's
to
good.
go. It's good because like you mentioned, the environment needs to be friendly, it needs to be peaceful, so that your mental health stays good. So you
Yeah.
actually feel like going to the place. Okay. So that is the thing. Earlier in the first 15 days, I was like, shit, I have to go to the hospital and again socialize and all. So it was such a bad thing. But now that I have adjusted, that this is the best thing ever. Best thing ever.
You also feel so.
I
You
do.
also
Yes.
feeling right. So that's why.
But
So I think
it
last
wasn't
time when
the. Yeah.
yeah.
No, no, please go on.
So I think last time when we talked, I think it was before August because you were preparing for your examination or something like that. And now,
My
as you
exams
have
were in
you
May.
doing
Yeah.
okay, then you okay, then for sure you didn't start your internship
No, no.
then
Yeah, yeah.
when we
Internship started in August. Yes, yes, yes. At that time,
but that's
that becomes 4 months. You said two, it's four.
oh come on, I'm before August, so it must be like July. So, August, September.
July.
No.
See, I got my college results in the first week of July. Okay. So I must be preparing for it before July. So it has to be around June. If you take my practical also, it has to be June.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah.
But you just told me that have you heard about physiotherapy? That sentence I precisely remember.
Oh
You
wow.
told me that. And I know, and
Okay.
I told you that yeah, I know about it. And you
Okay.
didn't tell me anything like internship and all. So I'm not sure that whether you're preparing for the examination or not, or you have just completed your exam.
Yes. Yes, yes. Because the internship started in August and I don't remember taking a session with you around August. So it has to be before that.
Yes, yes, it
Yep.
has to be.
True,
Yes.
true, true. That's good. It's good our memories coincide. We do have good memories.
Yeah,
That is the
finally.
essential part.
Finally.
But
So
it's
I
fun.
think nowadays you're being busy and you
Yeah.
are taking sessions for 50 hours only, right?
Yes, it's just 2 hours a day.
Okay.
Yes.
See, and now also I have to book your sessions
No,
in advance if I really want to have a conversation with you, right?
no, no. See, you have taken, like you mentioned, it's probably 50. So I wanted to ask you, you've talked to 50 different people or you have repeated?
I have repeated a lot of people. Yes.
Okay. Okay, okay. That's good. So how is it? How is the experience going?
So good. I mean, I think that talking to different people also
It really helps.
taught me a lot of
Yes.
things, and yeah, I mean, it boost up my confidence, and I think when I watched my previous recordings, I feel so that okay, now I can talk, I can have a conversation with anyone,
Absolutely.
and that's a good thing. Yes.
Yeah. That's good. The thing is that you had a session with me like 2-3 months back, so I'm not able to like
Yeah,
compare
obviously.
with your
Yes,
very
obviously.
first one. That is the thing. But yeah, if you have taken 50 and you do see a change in yourself, then obviously it has to be there. You have compared yourself with your previous videos.
Yes, yes,
So that's a
yes.
great thing that you yourself can judge that you have become a better version of yourself. That's absolutely stunning. Okay,
Yes,
that's good.
exactly. And I think people also like keep telling me that okay, you're improving, and yeah, that also motivates me all the time. Okay, like yeah, I'm
You
on the
have to
right
keep
path,
on going.
and
Exactly.
yes, I have
True.
to keep on doing this.
So
Yes.
apart from taking sessions, do you have a buddy who you talk to in English outside?
Uh, no, not like buddy and all. I just talk to myself sometimes because I don't have anyone at home, and friends are also like, no. So no.
No.
Yeah, I use one app that is Ace Fluency. Sometimes I'm not regular on that app
I've
also.
heard of this application.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's a good,
somebody mentioned.
yes, it's a
Uh-huh.
good application.
Somebody mentioned that you do get like 30 to 45 minutes and just audio, no video.
Yeah, just audio, 25 minutes
Only
per day
20.
is completely free,
Okay.
and yeah, it's so good. It's a good
Okay, okay.
application.
That's
Yes.
nice. And it's like they randomly connect to you to any person and you can talk to that person.
Yeah, I think that's the best part about this app. They randomly connect it to anyone, and you don't even imagine like to whom you will connect in next few seconds.
Hmm.
Like anyone
Anyone.
from
It could be
Pakistan,
anyone.
yeah, from other country also. So that's a good
Exactly.
thing.
Okay. So have you had like a bad experience ever on Ace Fluency? Like, oh God,
Uh,
I don't want to talk to this person. I want to know this.
okay, so see, everything has its pros and cons. So of course,
Absolutely.
but I will say that I have most of the good experiences, but yeah, a few bad experiences also. I mean, yes,
Okay.
I had few.
You felt like, oh no, I didn't want to talk to this person, or he wasn't worth my time, or she wasn't worth my time because of things that the other person might say. There are people who do take it in some other way. So, in that way, have you experienced such thing?
I think yeah, within 5 minutes only you
You
realize
get to
that
know exactly.
yeah, I get yeah, like we get to know that the person is not worth talking, or it is just asking personal questions. And the worst thing I okay, the thing I don't like about people when they directly jump on your personal things, like about like where do you work, and I told you that I'm a working professional, I'm in that particular department. I think that's fine. You don't need to
That's
ask
more
about
than
my
enough.
company. Yeah, that's more than enough. And like above all, they ask about the salary also, like how much salary you get in a month. And I was like, oh come on, I mean, why? I'm not gonna marry you. Like, why are you asking this? Very
That's a
stupid
good
question, like
answer.
what's your age, what's your salary? And I think these two questions are so stupid.
Annoying. So
Exactly,
annoying.
very annoying.
What do you have to do with my money? It's okay. Whatever I'm earning, it's for myself.
Yeah. And
Okay.
like whenever I tell people that I am working with an MNC, they are like, are you an engineer, or are you a software engineer,
Uh-huh.
IT person? And I'm like, come on, MNC
Only these
company.
people work in MNCs?
Exactly, MNC company don't just hire engineers, they have different
Exactly.
departments
Uh,
also.
one
And
thing that
yeah,
is
this
lacking
is
in
like
people these days, that's common sense. So it is
I think
required.
it's a psychology, common psychology.
It's the mindset
And
of the
yeah,
person. How exactly you're going to judge a person is by how much they earn. Why do you have to set a
yeah,
limit? Why
I think
exactly?
for on this topic I had arguments also, and yeah, I think I have blocked a caller also.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the best thing is that the
You
app
can
has the
block.
option to block the caller.
Okay.
Yes,
So you
so
don't have
that's
to
the
ever
best
talk
thing.
to him again. That's good. That's
Yeah.
wonderful though. Okay. We're coming to an end, Arushi. One or two things that I would like to point out. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. When you say I completed first dose, it would be more appropriate if you could say, I have taken my first dose.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
that's
I've
one.
taken my first
Second,
dose.
when you say you have been busy, how exactly do
Okay.
you say it? Say it again.
You have been busy. It should be,
Been
or you have
busy.
been,
Yes.
or you are
You
being
have
busy.
been busy.
You have
B
been busy.
double E N. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. When you say
Yeah.
BEING, that would be wrong.
Yeah.